Okay, so we're gonna follow this street. It's called Casada do Monte. But it's kind of a cool looking street, so we're gonna follow it and just show you the down as well. So okay, so in a minute we're gonna go up there and see what we can see. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And this particular angle is the Portuguese embassy, this whole yellowish building, so Calçada do Monte. And then we're gonna go up the street and go up this way. So let's just see what we can see. Looks pretty cool. This apartment building particularly looks really amazing to me. So we're gonna just kind of follow and see where we go. And we might not stick to the street that I thought we were gonna be on, but if you're looking for where we are, that might help a little bit. And it looks like this is gonna be called Rua do Sol. So I wanna walk up this way and see what's up this way. But we just basically came from that way. And it's pretty cool looking apartments too. Okay. Actually, that apartment is really looking cool. Amazing. So here's the name of it. Rua do Sol. Street of the Sun. So let's go up the Street of the Sun. See what's up here. It looks like we're gonna snake our way into something kind of cool. So I don't know, I might end up labeling this Rua do Sol maybe, but we'll just see what we can see. But it does look pretty cool. That's where we just came from. Wow, look at that building. It's like there's no windows, and then up at the top there's a balcony with a fence around it. Huh. Strange. That window looks kind of cool. Well, anyways, this looks really amazing to me. This This might actually be a little dead end. Looks like we kind of come out into this. There's even a little stairwell to go up to that side. This looks like private property. I guess you move that to park your bike in there. And this would be the Rua do Sol. So that's pretty cool. Huh. Kind of making this little wall of apartments. So that looks really barbershop there. Huh. It's really interesting. This one have a pink, big long table inside. Looks like they're planning something with that. Then we're gonna come up to the end of the Rua do Sol. And that's the end of our street, and it comes across some other street. So let's see what this is. Huh. It's like a little school. Ooh. And then we got a temple over here. So we're gonna definitely film that temple. Then we're gonna finish this one right here. Rua do Sol. So this will be a whole other video right there, and then this is gonna be the street that we just finished right here. Chiquinha,